welcome for this new tutorial video. My name is Bruno Fleming. I've been written in an article about how to create your own NFT generative art collection with Python, because I was wondering how can you create NFT? Basically, maybe you heard about all the buzz around NFT and the prices records that have been break for these new creations. So I was wondering how to create this. This project was made in, well, I have details, few elements about how to create. And also this project was, all these files have been created for a bigger project named Metaverse project that was made during a training. And you can find, basically the idea was to offer virtual exhibition spaces and gallery. And this is the reason why we have this video and you have all these exhibition made with Sketchup. But we've been using, you see this blue painting over there. That's one of the collection. So let's dive directly into the code. So basically you have all the link to the training. So here is my GitHub account. And then you go there. But you have a direct link over there, and then you look for NFT. So yeah, you have it here. You have all, I'm going to present not all the collection, but some of them. And you see, I have downloaded them already. Okay, what I'm using to handle the, so here is my conductor for this video. So I will present only the 4 directories. So the first one, let's go for the first one. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to use, you see, this one. So you have all this presentation. It was inspired by some articles, some other articles. And you see how you have all the explanation, how to install, etc. So I'm going to activate, so let's see, I'm using Anaconda to handle my environment. So you see I'm in here in base, and it's going to list all my Conda environment. And I've created a special one named NFT Insight. So I'm going to activate it. I won't go into this explanation. I'm just using the stuff. I'm clearing my console, and then I would check. So here we go. We're in this directory. So I'm going to launch this one, or I can even launch this one too. So what you have to think about is to define, you see the number of 10. So right here, I have already create images and metadata. So I'm going to erase this stuff, okay? And then, so it's clean, and then I can launch so every time in comment you have all these files, so we're good, we're in the right directory. Oops, sorry. You see, you have the file over there, that's the one we're going to launch, and you have the command down here. Okay, and then you will create directly the 10, you see it's generating a random image. Basically, the most important thing is the engine is creating the metadata. Okay, so if I open it, for instance, you see you have the different even the gateway to Pinodata, if you want. Okay, and so that's the very first things. And the things important that I'm going to talk about in the future is the face, is the tray, what we call the tray. In the article, I was defining what was a tray. Yeah, that's the part important. That's all the elements that you're going to use, and you're going to use it randomly to create this face, okay? And you can even think about, so result, you have create 10. I'm going to clear, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the creation. I think it's total. I'm going to search for total, and I'm gonna make 25, for instance. And this time I'm gonna launch directly. I made a small. So you see, every time you have it here, that's not the correct one, by the way. I'm gonna change it. Yep. So that's the correct one. I'm updating my file meanwhile. And then you can have, so that's just, he's gonna clean up the place, meaning that he's gonna remove the image, and then he launched the creation. And this time we've created 25, you see. I mean, 25, but it starts from 0, okay? So we're good. Maybe I can go in another generation, NFT generator. I think in my guidelines I was about to do NFT generator Streamlit. Yeah, I'm going to stop here and come in the second video where I'm presenting the second NFT generator, but this time I'm going to use Streamlit. For those who know my video, Streamlit is one of my favorite. It's not really, let's say, I call it framework to build data science app, but you can use for any kind of purpose. And this time I find it interesting to use Streamlit to build up the generator NFT. So see you in a minute. Bye-bye.